Salutations to all of y'all. What's going on, YouTube? Golly, I know. I've been gone for like 2 weeks now, man. Oh my God, it's been a while. I'm just in the bed, tired as hell. But I was like, you know what? I gotta make more videos for the people, for the gamers out there. I know they getting some other salt from other YouTubers, but I'm trying to put out some salt too. But here we are, bro. Here we are. Right now, even though I am kind of tired, I'm just gonna make some good content right now before I hit the bed, because I've been seeing on Twitter a lot of saltiness from fanboys, you feel me? PlayStation fanboys, in fact. So if you haven't been living under a rock, Xbox has just acquired Microsoft and Xbox. They acquired Activision Blizzard. Yeah, Activision Blizzard. You just heard that right. Activision Blizzard. You know, the people that make Call of Duty, the people that make Tony Hawk, the people that make Crash Bandicoot, etc., etc., etc. You have World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and etc., 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 bro. Oh my God, they spent $60-something billion. I forgot the actual number, but let's round that up to $70 billion. That's a lot of freaking money. This is more than when they bought Bethesda. They when they acquired Beth. You know what I'm talking about. When they acquired Beth back in 2020. Man, it's been crazy. They got money. They got big loads of money. And you know who's kind of salty about that? Y'all should already know. You see the title. PlayStation fanboys. They just, they're monopoly on. If that was the case, Disney would have been a monopoly when they was grabbing all them other stuff like Marvel, etc., etc. Microsoft is they're in the third place of revenue. They're right there behind Tencent and Sony. So pipe down, fanboys, pipe down. So I was going on Twitter and I've been looking at so many crazy stuff, bro. But there was one that really got me. So this fanboy or fangirl tweeted to President Joe Biden. If y'all hear, that's my dog. You know what I'm saying? But it's all good. So yeah, Joe Biden. I'm like, what the hell? Why you doing a Joe Biden? Like, why are you texting a Joe Biden? So Joe Biden put out this tweet about something. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So now ask me what's going on. But there was one particular fanboy or fangirl that just tweeted out to President Biden. Like, what? So this is what it says. Mr. President, please look into Microsoft's $70 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard. Microsoft has been getting away with antitrust for decades. Now, because of their money and power, it's time to stop them. Why? Why are you making a fool of yourself? Sit down. You're getting hurt for nothing. You're getting salty for what? For Sony? Sony that doesn't even know your damn name? Get to the line. Get to the back of the line. Sit down. Sip on some sippy juice. Go give me some more salt for all these people that's waiting. Sit your dumb ass up. trying to tweet President Biden. You think President Biden give a damn about gaming? No. He's trying to get the world back to where it was. I don't know. But you want to tweet that because Microsoft bought Activision Blizzard for $70 billion. Shut up. Shut the dumbass up. Oh my god. And I think on the other post they be talking about like, Sony, they can get Rockstar Games, they could get Take-Two, they could get the rest, all of the other softwares and studios and stuff. Bro, Sony, they're $1 billion company, okay? Microsoft, they're $1 trillion company. Sony is rich, Sony is rich, but Microsoft is wealthy. So you keep, all you fanboys, y'all keep, they could buy anything they want. Sony could buy anything they want. No, they can't. Such a dumbass up. No, they can't. Y'all, if you're getting upset. First, it was Xbox has no games. Xbox had no game. Xbox has no games. They're failing. It's all about PlayStation and PC. PlayStation number 1. And now it's Xbox taking all the games away. This ain't fair. They only got money and power. It's antitrust. It's monopoly. Shut up. And there's one particular fanboy I was seeing on YouTube. He's getting mad. He's comparing Phil Spencer to I'm not gonna say the word, but hit her. I'm not gonna try to say that name. And I'm like, bro, what the hell? So I should talk about that next. Damn, that voice crack. But yeah, bro, I just want to post something quick about some PlayStation little fanny little pussy. They tweeted out to President Biden, and that was funny. I'm not gonna lie to you, that really was funny. But yeah, I just want to make a little quick video about that, guys. This is huge, man. This is huge in the gaming industry. So don't let this like get into your head. Y'all acting like, Sony or Microsoft are going to cut you a check. No, just have fun with gaming because there's so much going on in the world, and just enjoy life. You feel me? Let me go get some shut eye, man. I'm gonna take my black ass to sleep. I hope y'all enjoy y'all day or night, whatever time it is right now for you. Yeah, just relax and chillax, and I hope y'all have a good day. You feel me? Or good night. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.